So welcome students. In this question you're given that x power 2x minus 2 times x power x into cot y minus 1 is equal to 0. And you're asked to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So how do we do this? So this is a basic implicit function. You just need to differentiate this. So first, this equation contains the term x power x, right? This is x power x whole square. You have an x power x. And you know the differentiation of x power x. You'd have done this in your board practice. So if y is equal to x power x, if you want to find the differentiation of this, let us try to get this. So dy by dx. So this y is different from this y. So I'm trying to get the differentiation of x power x first. So if you want to find dy by dx, you cannot directly do it. So how do we do this? We apply log on both sides. So log y is equal to log of x power x, and this x, the power x comes forward, that is equal to x log x. So now you differentiate this. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x into log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x into the differentiation of x is 1. So this implies dy by dx is equal to y is x power x times 1 plus log x. So dy by dx is equal to x power x times 1 plus log x. So the differentiation of x power x is this. Now let us use this to do this differentiation. So this is nothing but x power x whole square. So what is the differentiation of x power x whole square? 2 times x power x times the differentiation of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 times. So x power x into cot y, this is of the form u into v, right? So what is the differentiation? u v dash plus v u dash. It is x power x times cot y's differentiation is minus cosecant square y dy by dx. X power x times minus cosecant square y times dy by dx plus cot y times the differentiation of x power x is x power x times 1 plus log x is equal to 0, because the differentiation of 1 is 0. Now I want the value of dy by dx when x is equal to 1. So let us put x is equal to 1 in this and find y correspond to this. So when x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? So when x is equal to 1, x power 2x is 1 power 2. 1 minus 2 times cot y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, that is cot y is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to pi by 2, right? So that is in this curve when x is equal to 1, y is equal to pi by 2. So if I want dy by dx at x is equal to 1, just need to put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to pi by 2. So let us put it in this. So x is equal to 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. So effectively you have 2 minus 2 times x power x is 1. Cosecant square y. What is cosecant of pi by 2, which is 1? Cosecant square of pi by 2 is 1. So you have minus dy by dx plus cot pi by 2 is 0. This whole term becomes 0. So is equal to 0. So this implies 2 times dy by dx is equal to minus 2 and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 is the answer. So option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.